chemistry teacher. Today the topic is isotope. Let's discuss about the isotope. Isotopes are the atoms of same elements having same atomic number, that is the number of protons, but different atomic masses. It means they have different number of neutrons. Let's take an example of hydrogen to explain the isotopes. So hydrogen has three isotopes. The first isotope is called protium. Protium has one proton, one electron, and neutron is 0. Therefore, its atomic number is 1 and mass number is also 1. So we can write it like this: H1, 1. Whereas in the subscript we write the atomic number, and in the superscript we write the mass number. An example of the hydrogen isotope is deuterium. So deuterium has one proton, one electron, and one neutron. Therefore, the atomic number is 1, the mass number is 2. So it can be written as H21. The third example is tritium. It is called tritium from the word tri because it has 3 particles in its nucleus. So its atomic number is 1. Therefore, it contains 1 proton, an electron, and 2 neutrons. So therefore, the atomic number of tritium is 1, the mass number is 3, and it can be written as H31. Now let's take another example of isotope. Second example is about the isotope of carbon. Carbon also has 3 isotopes, just like isotopes of hydrogen. So the first isotope of the carbon is carbon 12. The second is carbon 13 and carbon 14. Carbon 12 is called carbon 12 because its atomic mass is 12. Similarly, the mass of carbon 13 is 30 and the mass of carbon 14 is 40. So they are named after their mass numbers. Now let's see. The carbon 12 is written as C12-6. In the superscript we write the mass number, and in the subscript we write the atomic number. So it has 6 protons, 6 electrons, and 6 neutrons, which makes it mass number 12. Carbon 13, it can be written as C13-6. It has 6 number of protons, 6 number of electrons, but 7 number of neutrons. So its mass number is 30. Carbon 14, it can be written as C14-6. It has 6 protons, 6 electrons, and number of neutron is here 8. Therefore, the mass number is 14. So you can see here in the isotopes of carbon that its mass number is changing because the number of neutrons are changing. So this is an example of carbon isotopes. We have another example. My example number 3 is about the bromine. Bromine has 2 isotopes. One is bromine 79 and bromine 81. Bromine 79 has mass number 79, whereas bromine 81 has a mass number 81. So it can be written as C79-35. 35 number of protons are here, 35 number of electrons, but 44 number of neutrons. So the mass number becomes 79 of the first bromine. Now the bromine 81, the second isotope of bromine, it can be written as C81-35. It also has same number of protons, same number of electrons, which is both are 35, but neutron number is here 46, so it makes its mass numbers 81. Thank you very much. Stay safe, stay blessed.
Thank you very much for watching my video. I appreciate your valuable comments. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe by clicking